What's up, Riders Nation? Tonight, I'm out at Liberty Harley Davidson in Rahway, New Jersey to review their dealership. Let's see what kind of fun we can have. Cue the intro. The Riders Nation YouTube channel is brought to you in part by the Bike Experience USA, a 501c3 nonprofit organization committed to helping disabled riders get back on motorcycles. Liberty Harley Davidson is located on 12 West Milton Ave in Rahway, New Jersey. They definitely picked a beautiful bike to be right out in front of the door as you walk in. I can tell you right off the bat, they had a lot of 2023 model bikes left over that were on sale, and they are filled with 2024 model bikes. They're everywhere. Considering that it's the end of the season and the new year is around the corner, whoever waits it out until the 2025 model bikes come out will be getting a good deal on the 2024 models. All in all, they had a wide range of models and color choices, as you can see in the video. Liberty has a wide assortment of parts and accessories that are all on their outer wall. First off, I have to admit I've never been in another dealership that has an actual working pool table in it, and I thought this was cool. Suspended over the bikes is a few older model motorcycles. It's almost like a little museum. For me, it's nice to go into dealerships that have a little bit of character. So adding the old bikes, adding the pool table just adds to the experience. Makes you want to spend a little more time in there instead of just going in and out of there and getting your business done. It should really help them sell more merchandise, sell more parts, sell more accessories. Not sure it's really going to help them sell more bikes, but the rest of the stuff, it probably helps them out and it enhances your experience as a customer. If you like this video, please do us a favor, hit the subscribe button and hit the like button and leave us some comments. It really helps the channel out. We have very big plans for the channel. We want to do lots of things, but it all starts with you by hitting that subscribe button, giving us some likes, and giving us some comments so we know we're doing good things that you are watching. Thank you all, and let's get back to the video. Most Harley dealerships that I visit have a lot of home decor items, knick-knack kind of things, backpacks. that kind of things. Liberty has got a lot. They have a lot of helmets. They have a lot of accessories, jackets, vests. They also have a lot of home decor items. And then once you go in their motor clothes, they have a large array of things in motor clothes. Not much different than other dealerships. They just have a lot of it. Again, more home decor items, more knick-knack things. Liberty is definitely worth the visit, even if you're not in the market for a motorcycle or parts. They're worth the visit for the items that they have in their motor clothes section. Just want to let you guys know, since we're here and we're at the end of the video, next week's video is going to be my take on Harley's third quarter numbers and how they may or may not have been affected by the woke claim and Harley announcing that they were going to start building bikes overseas. So stay tuned for that next week on Wednesday. Also, hit that subscribe button, give me some likes, and leave me some comments. Do you like Liberty Harley Davidson? As always, thanks for checking us out. Stay safe and live the dream.